Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to print sum of odd numbers between 1 and 15. So given the input range, that is 1 and 15, so your task is to find the numbers between 1 and 15, and you have to take all the odd numbers and you have to sum and print it. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. Take the numbers from 1 to 15 and check if they are odd numbers. Just find the sum of the odd numbers and you have to print it. So let us try to solve this. So let me take two variables, that is start is equals to 1 and end is equals to 15. So the reason that I am taking two variables, that is input variables, is if the problem statement changes something like between 100 to 150, so you can easily change over here. So since the statement is just between 1 and 15, so let us remodify it. Yeah, so these are starting variables or input variables. So now let's take the output variable, that is total is equals to 0. So this will generally store the sum of all the odd numbers between 1 and 15. So while we get input and output variables, so now let us try to write the actual code. So let us use the for loop to iterate from 1 to 15. That is for, let's say, for number in, let's take a range function to iterate from starting to an ending range. That is start plus 1 will give us the middle numbers between 1 and 15. That's the reason I am using start plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So that will give us the numbers between 1 and 15. So here we are excluding 1 and 15 and not including 1 and 15. So you have to take a note of that. So we have to use end, that is anyways in the range function end is excluded. So while we try to take all the numbers between 1 and 15, so it will be stored in this variable. So let us try to check if the given number is an odd number. So the let's use a if statement and statement to check the number is odd number. So let's take a number and try to modulate it with a 2. So if the remainder or result is 1, so you have found a odd number. So this is the statement to check if the number is an odd or even. So if the number is odd, that is result is 1, so let us try to take a total variable and add it to the number. Yeah, so once the for loop completes, so we will be having the sum of odd numbers stored in this variable. So let us try to use a print function and try to print it. So let me copy the same, that is sum of odd numbers from 1 to 15. So paste it over here. So let's use the start variable to print, and here we can give in the flower braces. So let us try to print the end and is, so let's give colon and let us try to print the total variable. So you can see print formatting has been already added over here. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print sum of odd numbers between 1 and 15. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So running the main program. So sum of odd numbers between 1 and 15 is 48. So you can also try calculating manually as well. Closing it. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print the sum of odd numbers between 1 and 15. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it.